So Silliman Agency, being the lead agency to implement the project, would provide breeder Darag Native chickens to as many as 200 farmer adopters throughout the province. So we have targeted at least 65 to 70 Darag Native chicken adopters per district. And we have also supported and located and helped build 3 breeding facilities in each district. So we have one in District 1 in Ayungin. Here in District 2, we have what we have here in Silliman University Farm. And in District 3, we have in Zamboanguita. Now, all these 3 breeding facilities will disperse breeding materials or breeding stocks of darag to 200 farmers total, and then we will teach them how to make this darag into an enterprise. Not only grow darag for slaughter, but hopefully they will also be able to sell themselves this breeder darag to the local community. No? We have a very, very strong demand for native chicken meat here in the province, and it's very good that these darag breeders are coming in to support that population, hopefully to bring up the population of native chickens so that the demand will be met